Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here to talk about Cult Beauty. So I have recently went on a haul and I have purchased quite a few things from that website. So let's quickly get into the video. We'll go step by step. I'll tell you what is Cult Beauty, how we can place orders, how you can track your information, what are the customs, and then finally what all things that I have ordered. So I will put on chapters here. So if you directly want to go to the haul, you can directly jump to the haul, or if you want any particular thing, you can choose and select it. So I'll put it in description box as well, and I'll also put the website link in the description box so you can go and place orders there. So we will start. So what is Cult Beauty? So Cult Beauty is a UK based website which has skincare, makeup, wellness products, you name it. They have a variety of brands, and there are a lot of brands that are now available in India because of Nykaa, but Cult Beauty has additional skincare products and makeup which is not available in India, so you can directly place your order there and get it delivered to your home. So the second is how can we place order in Cult Beauty. So I'll give a link down below. You can click on that link and then register with a new user if you have not used it before. And once you complete your registration process, you're gonna get this promo code, which is CV welcome. So you can use that code and avail the free shipping offer which they provide on your first order. And the payment methods which Cult Beauty has is credit card, debit card and PayPal. So you can use either of those, and the process of paying is pretty quick there. Even if your amount is stuck and you're not able to place the order, they're going to refund it quickly. The customer care is amazing. Plus I've noticed that one of my card got declined because I didn't have international transaction turned on for that card. So before you use that card, you make sure that your international transactions are supported on your card, and place order using that. So the payment process is pretty quick, and the delivery charges, if you are not using the CB welcome code, or if you want to quickly get your order, it is around 8.36 for standard shipping and around 36 pounds for priority shipping. So I would suggest you avail the free shipping. And secondly, if you are someone who has already placed an order, used your CB welcome, then Cult Beauty has this brand of the month thing that goes on every month. So you can place in your cart any product from that brand, and you're gonna avail the free shipping. So I'll put up a video. You can go in this video itself, so you can check that out on how to find out the brand of the month, the offers that are going on Cult Beauty. So when we open the website, we have to scroll down, go to this promotions tab, and here you will see this Cult Beauty promotions. Click on that and you'll see all the offers that are there. So here you will also see the product of brand of the month, and then you can shop that brand and get free shipping. So you can shop that brand and get free shipping on your order. See, all these codes and everything are right. Third is tracking. So once you place your order, and it takes almost, I think, 24 hours to to generate your tracking ID and everything. So once that is generated, you can monitor your order pretty easily. So the detailed information is there that your order has reached India, it is on its way, it is in the customs, it has cleared customs. Oh, so from customs we'll move on to the next part, which is customs on your Cult Beauty order. See, I have seen multiple videos before I was planning to order from Cult Beauties, and people say that they don't get charged custom if the order amount is below 1k or below 1500, and you don't get charged custom if your order weight is less than 0.5 kg. So I have heard this. I am not sure about how custom works, and personally I tried to read about it, but I didn't understand it a lot. So for me, my order value was, I've converted everything and kept it in INR for you guys. So my order amount was 2654.31 rupees, and I was not charged customs, so it cleared custom, but my product weight was less than 0.5. So what I ordered, we'll go to that section later on. See how much time it takes to reach you. It says on the website that it takes around, once dispatches take around 5 to 15 business days. So I placed my order on May 20, 2021, and it reached India around May 31, so that much time. Then it was in customs for 3-4 days, and on June 4th it was delivered on my doorstep. So I did not get any notification. The guy just came and gave the order. So I had placed another order, so I was not sure what exactly was in the packet, and then I realized, wow, it's my Cult Beauty order and I did not pay any custom. I had prepared myself to pay the charges. So if you are planning to order from Cult Beauty, try this less than 1500 thing, or less than the weight should be less. So I have placed another order now once I've received this one. So let's see if I'm charged customs in that order. I have a feeling that I'll be charged because that seems to be a pretty big package, but let's see. Now is the time when I'll show you what all I have ordered. So let's quickly get into that. So the first thing I have ordered is this Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum. So this is hydrator and oil in this category. So I love how, I don't know if you can see this, that how beautifully they have mentioned in the packaging that what exactly does the product do. So I have ordered this, and this costed me hyaluronic acid 503.83 Indian rupees. So I saw a lot of Instagram pages selling this for 1500 rupees. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So this is 30 ml bottle. Now then I got the AHA BHA peeling solution. So this was for 537.62 INR. I got this one for that amount, and I really want to try it. I haven't tried it yet. I'm pretty scared that it's gonna burn a lot. So I am looking at videos and then I will try this one. So this is also a 30 ml bottle. Now the third product that I have ordered is this super size niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. This costed me 759.84 INR. So for this product I have used Minimalist's niacinamide, and I think niacinamide works wonders on your skin. I personally realized that my hyperpigmentation has reduced, the visible difference. So I haven't been using it for 2-3 months now, and then I'm looking at the difference. So you have to be patient. So I thought, why not try the ordinary one? So let's see the results of this one. And the fourth product which I ordered was Inkey List Retinol. This is for 853 INR, and this is super small bottle. And what I loved about Inkey List is the product has this information about when to use your product, and also how to layer information is also there. So the product you want, they would have mentioned that in which step in your skincare routine you should use this product. Also they have mentioned that which product you can pair it with. So that is a very good thing. We don't get it here, but this is amazing. I loved the packaging also for this one. So this was in a small package, nothing big. This is the package in which all my products came. Super simple little package. I think it's because of its weight that I was not charged customs. So total I shopped for 2654.31, and that's it, nothing else. That's my Cult Beauty haul. So if you have any doubts or anything else, please write in the comment box below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you have any more doubts, let me know. So if you have any more doubts about Cult Beauty, you're unsure whether to order or not, or you have any more questions, please write to us on the comment section below. You can also drop your comments on Instagram, and we will try to get back to you. And whatever doubts you have, throw it at me. I'm gonna try to solve it as much as I can. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for more such videos from us, and do drop in your comments whatever doubts you have. And thank you for watching this. Bye bye.